So once you've selected your yarn and your hook, now you need to think about how you're going to hold the hook. So there are a couple of ways to hold a crochet hook, but most importantly is just finding a way that is comfortable for you. So I'll start with my left hand just because I'm left-handed. So if I was going to hold this hook, you'll see there's a flat section here. I would make sure that my thumb is on that flat section to stop the hook from twisting away from me. I would make sure that the hook is facing me, and I would use this finger here to help me sort of control the yarn that will be going over the hook. And that's what's called a knife hold for crochet. Now you may have crocheted before and been holding it like this, a bit like you would hold a knitting needle, and that's fine too. So whichever way is comfortable is the best way for you, but for the teaching of beginners, through the course of these tutorials, I will be using the knife hold like this. So if you're right-handed, you hold the hook this way round. You will put your thumb on that flat section, make sure the hook is facing you, and then use this finger on top to control where the yarn is. And again, if you've done it before, you might be using the hook like this, and you just find that this is your way, this is how you work. But for those of you that are new to crochet, I'll be teaching the knife hold, which is the hold like this. So it's in your hand is over it, you've got the flat bit under your thumb, the hook is facing you, and your finger is going to be on the top to help you control the stitches.